Let me ask you a question. When one of your best clients hears about any form of alternative investment, could be private credit, private real estate venture, even cryptocurrency or precious metals, who do they call first? If it's not you, the issue isn't necessarily alternative investments. It's your positioning. Because whether you like it or not, these conversations are happening. The question is, are you part of the conversation? Undoubtedly, you've noticed that alternative investments are getting a lot of attention, whether it's in podcasts, pundits, and even your competitors are starting to use alternatives as a wedge to get the attention of your clients in the hopes of luring them away. There are three primary benefits to professional positioning of alternative investments within your process. Number one, you become and remain the first call a client makes before any investment decision is made, never after. Secondly, you achieve perpetual, total client engagement. Your clients are always empowering you with every investment action they take. And then thirdly, you are amplifying your fee worthiness, where clients focus primarily on why you are compensated, not how much you are compensated. It's not what you cost, it's what you're worth to your clients now and in the future. This is especially important when it comes to achieving net new assets, which is one of the most important KPIs in your growth trajectory. For many advisors, their view is ongoing client acquisition, which can be fine, but you can get to a point of diminishing returns because of your bandwidth and your overall capacity, which can lead to attrition. I would suggest you always start with a mindset and view on conversion, converting your customers who do some business with you into totally empowering, fully engaged clients. They empower you with every asset allocation, every investment decision. They have one provider, and that's you. Deciding on the products and the providers of the alternative investments you're going to represent within your process, you cannot pitch alternative investments as a product, an idea, a trade. It has to be positioned as being part of your panoramic and all-encompassing process that is fluid and dynamic and proprietary to you. As you know, when it comes to professional contrast, you cannot use any form of salesmanship where you're asking a client to buy something. It has to be stewardship where you're asking a client to buy into something. You're not chasing, you're attracting. And what they're buying into is your panoramic and all-encompassing process. Done properly, this expands the thinking of your clients and improves their perception, appreciation, and description of your value to others, which impacts the quality and quantity of introductions you're striving to attract. The fastest growing segment in the retail financial services sector is without question alternative investments. And at Pareto Systems, we have developed and refined a 4-part masterclass that will enable you to professionally position alternatives as an extension of your process, while others are pitching alts as an idea, a product, or a trade. I am personally hosting this 4-step masterclass. This is a tremendous opportunity for you to rejuvenate your client relationships, your business, and the fulfillment you get from being a financial advisor as you deepen those relationships. Access to this masterclass is reserved exclusively for members of the Turnkey Advisor and clients of Pareto Systems. Your clients are increasingly being exposed to alternative investment opportunities, but they might not know where you stand in this space. Seize this opportunity to take your business to the next level.